How to deactivate Instagram account. In this video, guys, I'm going to be walking you through how you can deactivate your Instagram account. So first thing, I want you to go to open your Instagram. When you open your Instagram, go to your profile section. So click on the profile section just below your chat screen, your Instagram screen. So when you click on that, so make sure you're on your profile section. So if you're on home page, go ahead and switch to your profile section. Click on that. So when you're done doing that, click on the three-line menu showing above your screen. When you click on the three-line menu showing above your screen, go ahead and click on where it says settings and privacy. Click on where it says settings and privacy. When you click on settings and privacy, go ahead and navigate to where it says account center. So you can go ahead and use the search button and look for account center. You're going to be seeing there, or just go ahead and scroll and look for it. So here it is, guys. Click on account center. When you click on account center, I want you to click on where it says personal details. Click on that. When you click on personal details, it's going to show your contact and your phone number, your date of birth. So go ahead and navigate and click on where it says account ownership. So click on account ownership. When you click on account ownership, you can go ahead and click on deactivation or deletion. So click on that. So you click on that, it's going to take you to the profile. So if your Instagram account is linked to multiple profiles, it's going to show all the list of the profiles here. So click on what you want to delete. I want to delete this account. So as you can see, guys, deactivating or deleting your Instagram account. So if you want to deactivate the Instagram account temporarily, you can go ahead and click on that. So you can deactivate your Instagram account temporarily. If you want to delete your account permanently, you can go ahead and delete your account permanently. So you have two options. So you can go ahead and do any of this. So when you deactivate your Instagram account, so it's going to, your account will be gone when you want to activate it. So you can activate it back. But when you delete your account is going to be gone for good permanently. So I hope this video is helpful. If this video is helpful, go ahead and like and subscribe to support the channel. See you on the next one.